This is the brain map wrap. It'll help you pass a test. Your association areas will help you do the rest. Your cerebral cortex will help you do well because it's much larger than a chimp's. I don't know if you can tell. The brainstem, the hindbrain, it controls survival functions. It's the oldest in the brain. It's your main spinal junction. The medulla is responsible for breathing and your heart rate. It may increase significantly when you're on a blind date. Between your ears is the reticular formation. It helps control arousal when you're busy masturbating. The pons relays messages. It may aid in dreaming, so that's when you're sleeping you can find a bigger meaning. I'll tell you, the thalamus is like the quarterback. It's your sensory switchboard. We hope it don't get sacked. The cerebellum's tight because it makes your movement smooth and it helps control your balance when you're getting on your groove. The limbic is the midbrain. It helps you with emotions such as fear and aggression. It also drives for food and sex. Without them, that's depression. Your frontal lobe is dope because it's got your motor cortex, so I can move my fingers when I send texts to your girlfriend. The parietal lobe is on top of your head. It's got sensory cortex so you can taste fresh bread. The auditory area is in the temporal lobe so I can hear the language when I travel the globe. My occipital lobe is there so I can see. Bronchus area and my frontal lobe so I can MC. This is the brain map wrap. It'll help you pass a test. Your association areas will help you do the rest. Your cerebral cortex will help you do well because it's much larger than a chimp's. I don't know if you can tell. I control my movement sequences with my basal ganglia, so when I'm mad at you, I can easily circle you. My angular gyrus is an amazing feat. It lets me turn my visual references into beats.
But what connects the brain, the corpus callosum? I can't do it. I can't.
The corpus callosum, it lets the hemispheres communicate, and that is freaking awesome. What's the right side do? Well, funny you should mention. That's because the right side interprets his emotional content, tone of voice, facial expressions, gestures, melodic speeches, social, musical, visuals, spatial and environmental awareness, unconscious self-image, body image. Imagine that!